3, 2, 1, start. It has been held that before recording an FIR, SHO was not supposed to hold an inquiry as to the correctness or otherwise of the information received by him for the purpose of being reduced in writing as FIR, SHO has no authority under the law to refuse recording of FIR where information conveyed disclosed the commission of cognizable offence, full stop, new para. In case of Ghulam Farid Supra, it has been held that the station house officer was bound to register an FIR under section 154 CRPC whether the information received by him was false or correct, and whether any private or civil dispute between the parties was pending or not, full stop. Station house officer had no power to refuse to register the FIR, if the offence appeared to be cognizable from the information received by him, full stop. In case of Muhammad Hanif Supra, it has been held that the SHO has absolutely no power to refuse to register the case if from the statement of complainant any cognizable offence was made out, whether information provided was false or correct was immaterial, but the condition precedent for recording of FIR under section 154 CRPC was that information must disclose an offence and that to a cognizable one, full stop, new para, under the scheme of criminal administration of justice, the justice of peace is not bound to depend upon and confine his authority to the extent of report furnished by the concerned police, full stop. The prime duty of the justice of peace is to apply his judicial mind to examine all the relevant facts and prevailing circumstances narrated in the complaint by the aggrieved person independently and judiciously, and shall not be convinced by the report submitted by the police, full stop. It is the legal assignment of the justice of peace to focus upon the prime question of controversy, that whether or not any cognizable offence prima facie was made out from contents of complaint and justice of peace had committed serious error, full stop.